A great thing to pick up at Walmart is one of these Coleman 2-burner camping stoves. We usually love to cook over the fire, but when that's not possible, cooking on one of these is like having your stove at home. They run on these propane fuel canisters that come in a 2-pack for under $10, and they last a really long time. Some other kinds of stoves, like our little backpacking one, actually run on these butane propane mix canisters that they also sell at Walmart. You can grab the small canister for around $7, and the larger one runs around $12.